Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create new HTML file. To create new HTML file, you need to open Sublime Text. Go to File tab, click New File. Now the file is created with blank. Write HTML opening tag and closing tag. Inside HTML tag, write head tag code. Title tag must be inside head tag. Write body tag code. This is the generalized format of HTML structure. Now you need to save HTML code. The save file must be in .html extension. Now open new file.html that is previously created. That's all for this video. See you in next video.